The next step will be sewing the center front part to the sides with sleeves. On the other side, you'll be sewing center back to this part. And make sure that when you sew it, you press the seam allowances away from center front and away from center back, and top stitch it at 0.5 centimeters from the edge. After you've sewn all the vertical seams of the dress and top stitch them as well, you can join the shoulder edges and the sleeve edges. To do so, you fold them right sides in, match all the seams accurately, then finish the seam allowances together, press seam allowances towards the back and top stitch them, similar to the way you've done the other seams. Now that your sleeve is sewn and top stitched, you can start finishing the sleeve hems. To do so, cut the bias strip 5.5 centimeters wide and do it similar to the way you did the neckline. The only difference will be that you will have to do a continuous loop, so it will have to close neatly, covering the previous open edge of the strip.